Hey friends, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to download or install MONGIL Stardive game on PC via the Epic Games launcher. So without wasting time, here follow the steps. So first of all, open the Epic Games launcher and then go to the store page, and in the store, search for MONGIL Stardive and then click on this MONGIL Stardive base game, and here you will see this get button and the game is free to download. So click on get button. Just wait, and then click on place order. And then click on view in library button, and here you can see MONGIL Stardive game has been added to my library. So click on install button, again click on install, click yes to allow. Now click on launch button, then click on OK. This will install the launcher. So this is a Netmarble launcher. Click on OK to install. Just wait, it is downloading the launcher. Then click on install. Then click on allow. Click yes to allow. Now once the Netmarble launcher had get installed, then you can click on install game. The required disk space is 4.02 GB. So make sure you have 4.02 GB space free on your PC, and then click on start install. And then you can see that game is getting installed on my PC. So I hope by following these steps you can easily download or install MONGIL Stardive game via the Epic Games launcher on PC. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and share this video, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Thank you.